Muscle injuries are common and can occur as a result of various factors, including overexertion, poor technique, and trauma, such as falls and accidents. Symptoms of muscle injury may include pain, swelling, bruising, and difficult moving that affected area. If you suspect you have a muscle injury, it's important to seek medical attention as soon as possible, or contact us at Proactive Pelvic Health Center, and we'd be happy to help guide you. Treatment for muscle injury may include a combination of the following interventions. First, always remember the RICE acronym: rest, ice, compress, and elevate. And usually elevation is above the heart. And don't forget to protect. It's important to give your injury time to heal, so you may need to limit your activity or type of work that you're doing may need to be modified. Ice and heat. You can apply ice if your injury needs swelling reduction and pain, and usually heat can be used to improve blood flow and reduce stiffness. Stretching and strengthening exercises are important, but too early can irritate and too late can lead to poor recovery. Treatment plans can help optimize your recovery and reduce the risk of further injury. It's important to remember that muscle injuries can take time to heal. Be patient and don't rush into getting back to your activity, or else it can be much longer recovery. And don't forget to keep moving better.